We're diving into an in-depth review of the Polar Vantage V3, Polar's latest flagship multisport smartwatch. If you're a serious athlete or outdoor adventurer, this could be your next powerful training companion. Design and build quality. The Vantage V3 keeps Polar's signature minimalist design with a sleek aluminum case, Gorilla Glass 3 touchscreen, and a high-resolution AMOLED display, a big step up from the MIP screen on the V2. It's both durable and lightweight, weighing just 57 grams with a band, making it super comfortable for all-day wear. Display. The 1.39-inch AMOLED screen is a huge highlight, vibrant, sharp, and highly visible in bright sunlight. Touchscreen navigation is smooth, and paired with the 5 physical buttons, it's easy to use even with gloves or in wet conditions. Performance and battery life. Powered by a newer processor and more RAM, the V3 feels snappy and smooth. You'll get up to 8 days of battery life in watch mode and around 43 hours of full GPS training, depending on settings. It supports multiple power-saving modes, so endurance athletes doing ultras or multi-day hikes are covered. Overall, if you're a data-driven athlete looking for top-tier accuracy, advanced recovery tracking, and a clean interface, this watch delivers in a big way. Thank you so much.